Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're in the kitchen, and we're here to help you decide which knife sharpeners to buy today. As always, don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mentioned are in the description below. A sharp knife can be lethal if used carelessly, but a dull knife can cause more harm. Dull knives cut poorly, causing you to apply more force, which can potentially increase the risk of injury. Furthermore, dull knives rip up your food instead of cutting it into lovely slices. Sharp knives also have a longer lifespan, which is why knife sharpeners is needed. The best knife sharpeners are easy to use and provide a razor-sharp edge. Since knife sharpeners come in a number of configurations, doing some research to select the correct one for your needs is necessary. In this video, we provided you the list of the best knife sharpeners in the market today. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The knife sharpeners that have been selected have been chosen based on the product features, reviews in the marketplace, quality of finish and price, and where possible, we've been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the #1 position in our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you're interested in more informational list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The knife sharpener coming in at number 5 in our list is the Smith's Tri-Hone Sharpening Stones. Smith's Tri-Hone Knife Sharpener is made with 3 different types of stones to ensure that the blades are sharp all over. It includes a fine and medium Arkansas stone, with the medium synthetic stone weighing 800 grit and the fine synthetic stone weighing 1000 grit, as well as a 300 grit core synthetic stone. Switching between stones is as easy as lifting one of the stone holding portions, turning it to the stone you want to use, and reseating it into the base. Our team would like to highlight that this knife sharpener is built on a molded plastic base with safety rubber feet to provide you maximum control over your knife. It comes with Smith's premium honing solution to ensure the knife sharpening surface's longevity and performance. A unique V-trough is used to catch the solution. The base is sturdy enough and does not slide or move around while in use. It's worth noting that the non-skid rubber feet on the easy-to-clean molded plastic base provide safety. A sharpening angle guide is also included in the set. The pores of your stones will remain free of stone and metal particles if you clean them regularly, so our team recommends that the Arkansas stones should be cleaned vigorously with water, liquid soap, and a stiff nylon brush after each use. Among stone sharpeners, the Smith's Tri-Hone Sharpening Stones is the easiest to learn and provides a good manually created edge. The instructions are simple and easy to understand, and the product performs well at a low price. With its ease of use, quick and extremely sharp, we have decided to place this product at the number 5 in our list. The knife sharpener coming in at number 4 in our list is the Broad and Tailor Professional Knife Sharpener. This sharpener is one of the most versatile tools in the market today. Coarse sharpening, fine sharpening, serrated blades, and special single bevel blades can all be done with this tool. Broad and Tailor made this knife sharpener even simpler to operate by stamping the direction on the bottom of the product. Our team would like to highlight that this knife sharpener is the fastest and easiest way to sharpen any knife with its superior USA patented technology. It's made of ultra-hard tungsten carbide that can cut a bevel at whatever angle you want, and then tip up to smooth and align the edge without removing any metal. You need to press it softly to make a fine blade for slicing. If you want a firm chopping blade, you need to press it harder. The knife edge needs to be pressed into alignment at the right angle by the smooth edge. This will work in both straight and serrated blades to keep them sharp. This knife sharpener has a sturdy, hand-polished stainless steel sharpener base that lasts for a long time. For its size, it measures 3.35 by 4.33 by 5.91 inches and weighs 814 grams. The Broad and Tailor Professional Knife Sharpener is well made, attractive, and it's definitely well worth the money. It's not only effective and easy to use, but it's also compact and well built, making it ideal for both large and small kitchens. For that, it earns the 4th spot in our list. The knife sharpener coming in at number 3 in our list is the EverSharp E2 Kitchen Sharpener. The EverSharp E2 knife sharpener quickly sharpens your most used kitchen tool, so you can cut, slice, and dice without a hitch. It combines flexible abrasives and a built-in angle guide to provide a uniform edge from tip to heel in under 60 seconds, whether it's honing knives, scissors, or shears. You'll know when your knife is ready when an automated timer alerts you. Our team would like to highlight that operating this knife sharpener is very easy. There are 2 slots or guides on it, one on the left and one on the right. These are the guidelines into which you would insert your knife to sharpen it. You make one pass or swipe on the left and then another on the right. Rinse and repeat and you're good to go. There's also a honing wheel that runs through the middle of the sharpener, which is used to simply realign the edge of a knife. This fully guided sharpener automates the sharpening of your knives, resulting in a consistent angle and properly sharpened knife every time. It's small enough to fit in a drawer, measuring 6.1 by 5.2 by 4.29 inches, and its compact form keeps your knife sharp and your counters free of clutter. The EverSharp E2 Kitchen Sharpener is worth considering in terms of overall performance, usability, quality, and even portability. Considering all its functions and features, we felt that this product deserves to earn the third spot in our list. The knife sharpener coming in at number 2 in our list is the Presto EverSharp electric knife sharpener. This knife sharpener has a black and silver motif that looks great in a modern stainless steel kitchen, while the rounded shape and soft edges make it work well in more classic kitchens as well. It uses a 2-stage system to ensure that knives are always sharp. The first stage is the rough stage, which is used to sharpen and grind down knives. Next is the fine stage, which is used to hone the blade to a very good sharp edge. Each stage is clearly marked. The number 1 is for the first stage, and the number 2 is for the second stage. Each stage also contains 2 slots, one for each side of the knife, to ensure that it's sharpened consistently every time. Our team would like to highlight another fantastic feature, which is its low noise level. The motors are quiet and they don't make the grinding or buzzing noises like older models do. Using the EverSharp by Presto is a breeze, though it may appear difficult at first. The trick is to apply gentle, steady pressure on the blade throughout the process rather than slamming down on it, which will cause the motors to stop working. Draw the blade back through the slot and over the motors 3 times per side and per stage. The entire procedure takes less than 2 minutes and results in a sharp edge that is suited for most kitchen and home tasks. Overall, the Presto EverSharp electric knife sharpener is a great value for the price, and it'll take care of most of your home sharpening needs once you purchase it. Its modern design manages to fit with more classic kitchen motifs while being durable, lightweight, and sleek. This is why we placed this product at number 2 in our list. And finally, we come to the number 1 knife sharpener in our list, the Chef's Choice Trizor XV electric knife sharpener. The Chef's Choice Trizor XV is a 3-stage knife sharpener that produces a burr-free triple bevel fine edge with a 15-degree triple bevel curve-shaped edge. This also resists dulling longer than a V-shaped edge. Our team would like to highlight that the Trizor XV technology contributes to the blade's longevity. It does this by imposing a 3-stage arc-shaped edge grinding process, with the first step being roughly 25 degrees, followed by 22 degrees, and finally 15 degrees. This ensures that the blade stays sharp for a longer period of time, which is a feature that many customers will appreciate. The built-in high precision and flexible spring guides enable precise control of the reshaping or honing operation by maintaining an equal pressure point throughout all 3 phases. Our team would also like to highlight that the Edge Select feature is another excellent feature of this sharpener. This allows the Trizor XV sharpener to add micro grooves to your blade for an added bite into your meat, vegetables, or fibrous materials. This also allows for effortless cutting without the use of force, so there's no need to be concerned about the knife slipping and cutting your fingers. The Chef's Choice Trizor XV electric knife sharpener is simple to use and operate. It also does not become too warm if used properly. With its powerful motor, 100% diamond abrasives, and well-designed angle guides, it can easily sharpen dull blades to factory sharpness. For all these reasons, it's no doubt that it earned the top spot in our list. And there you have it, folks, the 5 knife sharpeners which got our team at In the Kitchen excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next knife sharpener roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to look it over for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.